need my mouth guard because, as some of you might know, I used to play basketball, and you don't need a mouth guard, but now I'm playing football, and you need one of these, so it keeps your jaw intact. You have to form it. I haven't even done this ever before. I got a shock doctor from my local Big Five, or not shock, it's like this shock gel. You kind of have to wear this for football. So what we're gonna start off by doing is we're gonna fill the saucepan with 3 to 4 inches of water. And I guess you'll also need like this tether thing which came with it, and you just take it and I don't think you're supposed to remove it, but it'll have this little thingy, and you like just stick it in to it like that, and then it'll just lock in. Yeah, let me get my bowl of water. About 3 and 4 inches? I don't think so. We have our pan with 3 to 4 inches of water. This is what it looks like. Now, kind of just following the instructions. What we have to do is bring this to a boil. Woo! Which, this is like a professional stove, whatever. At least that's what my mom says. No idea if it actually is. But I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse of this boiling. Do not exceed 60 seconds. And they give you very specific instructions. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys off time lapse for a second. What I'll probably do. Ooh, that's a big flame. What I'll probably do is let water stand for 30 seconds, then place mouthguard in water for 60. Do not exceed 60. Carefully remove mouthguard from hot water with a slotted spoon. Do not remove tether. Oh, so we're cool mouthguard under tap water for 1 to 2 seconds, only to bring surface temperature to a comfortable level. Lick your lips. Watching a mirror. Okay, well, this might take a bit longer than. Oh, it's starting to bubble. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys back on a time lapse, and oh gosh. And if you mess this up, I've searched up videos. If you messed it up, you can just redo the process. It's kind of long and annoying, but it's worth it to keep your jaw safe. Even though it's too long of a process. I would only want to do it once, but I literally have like no help except the instructions. The instructions are a big help. Okay, back on time lapse. You guys go. Okay, so it started to boil. So I'm going to not let it overboil, but let it stand for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go like this, turn it off, and ouch. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. In goes this. All the way in. I hope I'm doing this correctly. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm gonna have to drop spin, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, switch your hands, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Supposed to remove it now. Oh, and that is boiling water. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to just quickly set you down and like right here. Okay, shoot, I should probably do this a little faster. So what we have to do, I'm just gonna quickly take this, run it underwater for 2 seconds. 1, 2, okay. Now, I have to take this. You have to suck hard. Bite down firm. Woo! And then it should form into your mouth, and I'm gonna bring you guys back over here. Instructions, so it, if you can tell, I don't know if you can, but it's kind of shaped into my mouth. Supposed to run it under cool water for 30 seconds and get it all nice and cooled off. I thought I was gonna fail. I didn't actually fail this. What are the odds? Can you see me? Nothing good. Okay. Okay. Just running it under cold water. It's completely formed to my teeth. Yeah, I just ran it underwater for 30 seconds. And it's looking pretty nice. Yeah, it feels good. Finally finished setting up my social media accounts, so go follow me at Twitch, Instagram, what else? Facebook. The only reason I have Facebook is for games, and Instagram. I log into Instagram with Facebook. It's not super hard to do this. I thought it'd be a lot more difficult to do this. Go follow me at Insta. Everything will be linked down in the description, including my friend's YouTube channel and my sister's and my other one. Which this video, I don't want to make it too long and boring for you, but I hope you guys get your mouth guard thing. This is a shock doctor thing. It's supposed to be like super good. Or I don't know, but it feels nice. But giving you a heads up, nothing like too stuff, but I think I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a GoPro, and that's what I'm going to be filming on instead of my iPhone 5. So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, like I've said before, in like my description of my other video, I'm going to be posting every Tuesdays on this channel, and then I just created my vlog channel, so I'll probably do like a channel intro to that too. What else? Go follow all my social medias, those are linked. Go subscribe, do whatever you want. We're at my sister and friend's channel. We're having a good day, still living life. Stay tuned for my GoPro unboxing, because I've been saving up money for like a long time to get this. It's gonna be awesome, and it's gonna be a great unboxing of my ADHD crazy distraction, the squirrel. That's what my mom calls me. Squirrel! Okay. Before I get any more distracted, have a good day. Live life. Peace.